Hey guys, welcome back to Ranch Life. Today I'm going to be doing day 2 of my spring cleaning. I'm starting in my kitchen, then I'm going to work my way to the dining room, then the laundry / pantry / coffee bar room. What I'm doing right now is just taking everything from one side of the counters and putting them on my island just so I have a clean surface to work with. I'm also going to be taking things out of my cabinets and just wiping those down really good. I'm going to be Windexing the window. I'm going to be moving the stove. I'm going to be doing a lot of things in here. So it pretty much took all day just to do all this. And you'll see in the video that I'm wearing different clothes when I go to do my dining room and my pantry, laundry room, coffee bar, because I couldn't get it all done in one day. Before I knew it, it was time to make supper and the husband was coming home. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this and I hope it gets you motivated to spring clean. I'll be stopping in every now and then just to let y'all know what I'm doing. So let's get started.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
The struggle with this stove was real. Me trying to pull it out by myself was not fun, but I'm so glad I did because I was mortified just to see food back there. I do not like nasty stuff anywhere in my house, so that freaked me out. So I'm glad I did this, and I'll probably be doing this maybe once a month, or I don't know, once every 2 months at least. Like, this isn't just a spring cleaning thing. This is something that I plan to do a lot because I can just imagine how filthy it would be if I waited a whole year to do this again.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place
So I'm thinking I'm gonna have my husband make me a shelf so I can put the internet stuff on, because it's just not aesthetically pleasing on my kitchen counter. So anyway, we're probably gonna get that done, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and water my plants because they really needed it. I hadn't done it in a while, and they get a little dusty just from being inside, so I like to just wash them off a little bit. And so that's what I'm doing there.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the...
So this is my medicine cabinet. I'm not really looking to see if anything's expired, because when we moved in here not too long ago, I checked everything before I brought it over. And so I know everything's still good, but it just needed to be reorganized a little bit.
Bricks that I own and know I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go away. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
This drawer is kind of like our junk drawer. We keep a lot of stuff in here that we use around the house to hang stuff and just tools and different things like that. So I don't know if it's really a junk drawer because I kind of know everything that's in here, but I have been trying to keep it organized. I think I need to build something to like separate everything because it just slides around every time we shut the drawer. So I might be working on that soon.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the...
So as you can see, I'm in different clothes. It's the next day. I didn't get a chance to finish yesterday. Time got away from me, which it happens. But anyway, I woke up today and I started cleaning. I had like really bad allergies the day before. Like the reason I couldn't finish everything was because I went outside and helped my husband with some yard work, and I was weed eating, and like it just set my allergies off. So anyway, I'm going to try to work in the dining room, and then I'm going to get the pantry slash laundry slash coffee bar done, and hopefully I'll get all that done today because I really need to get the bedrooms going.
Ground. I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time starts.
I was just going to vacuum the cushions on the chairs, but they really needed a good wash, so I decided to go ahead and take those off and let them wash while I clean the rest of the dining room.
A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
I just decided to leave the plates off the table because it just kind of looked cleaner that way. So I'm just going to leave those off for now. I might put them back up later, but I kind of like the way it looks without the plates. And now I'm finally in my laundry room, and this is really gratifying because I know that this day is almost over with the spring cleaning. Anyway, I'm just taking everything out of the cabinets. I had some stuff that I needed to throw away. It had very little in it, and I was just hanging on to it. So anyway, I just used the rest of that up, and I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm just going to clean out the cabinets in here, wipe down the washer and dryer, and head over to the pantry and the coffee bar.
What's the point in us if I never know? If you don't leave, I'ma let you go. If you want it and you shouldn't find a home, but if you wanna travel, then go alone. What's the point in us if I never know? If you don't leave, I'ma let you go. I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far.
This is my pantry. I just reorganized it the other day and wiped it down, so I'm just going to go over it lightly and get whatever dust or whatever might be there. This is kind of like my show pantry, I call it, because I just keep it kind of simple. I don't put a lot of like, I don't want to say, I guess packaged food in here. I just don't like the way it looks. So I'm still trying to collect like a bunch of the glass jars and get everything in glass jars and then put it in here. So I'm just going to wipe that down a little bit, and then I'm going to head over to the coffee bar.
Like a dragonfly, just grab my hand from hip to